I'll wait to see your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses. Oh, please stay a while.
7:30 in the morning in Paris, and Donovan's loading up the taxi now with our 1,000,000 pounds of dog food and dog toys. And off to the airport we go, leaving for Turkey to go buy the rest of the boat. We own 10% of it so far. We're gonna go hopefully buy the other 90%. Let's go. We've made it to the airport with our 6 bags, our dog, and we're already exhausted. She's not happy. Here we go. Last footsteps in France. We're going home. Where's home? Turkey. Woo, woo.
Against the stream of time we'll run, baby. We'll hold back the sun. This feeling moves me every single day.
Welcome home, baby. It took us a year and a half, but we are finally home.
We're not home yet. We're in the vicinity.
We're in the vicinity. We are 1 flight away from being 2 hours away. It's a never-ending trip. So we are on our next flight. We are in Istanbul. We made it to passport control. Istanbul is the 2nd largest airport in the world. I have never run so fast in my life because we only had about 30 minutes to get from one end to the other. I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight. We have arrived in Kas, and we've gone from one city of concrete to another city of concrete. So apparently Zoe will never have grass to pee on again. There's our hotel, Decatria Hotel Apartments. We just got back to the apartment, got some water and some cheese and some tomatoes and stuff for the night because it's like 11 o'clock at night. We figured it out. We could not get the electricity to stay on. The breaker kept going off every 30 seconds, like not even 10 seconds. And it's because this key has to be in this thing. If I pull out this card right now to walk out the apartment to leave, then there is no power in the apartment, which means we can't charge anything while we're gone, like cameras and stuff. You can only have power when this key is here. Don't ask me how I figured that out. I was just kidding around. First morning in Kas. That's the water view we got. It's a nice little apartment though. On our way to see Eucalyptus for the first time. Yeah. Woke up this morning feeling like absolute shit. I think I got a sinus infection that Donovan got last week. Pretty cool buildings over here. The marina is straight ahead of us, and then our hotel is, there's that cool looking building over there with the peaks. So our hotel's behind this palm tree. What's that?
See the one next to the 46?
I see the 46, but I mean, I see a boat next to it, but I don't see the eucalyptus leaves anywhere. The one with the yellow kayak?
Yeah. You just got the light on the window?
Yep, that's it.
Yeah, there it is.
Oh my God, I could just jump in right now. There's the contraption, the lift that brought Eucalyptus out of the water right here. And she's gonna go back in again tomorrow morning. I'm sure Donovan's gonna wanna be here for that. There she is, baby.
She is.
Our new home.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
You said be careful going up the stairs.
I like how they named that leopard Paw Paw. There's our baby girl. She's getting a coat of paint, bottom paint tomorrow morning, so she'll look a lot better.
That looks good.
Feels good under here.
It does, boy.
There's our little OC tender. It's got a nice clean bottom too. Look at the color of this water. Folding props.
And cutters on there, so it cuts the rope.
We've been waiting a year and a half to meet you, little girl, or big girl. And we're up. Home sweet home. netting so that Zoe won't fall out. We'll have to figure out some sort of a netting over here for her. Man, this is bigger than I remember.
Good, there's the paddles for the paddle boards.
Passerelle? Paddles. Oh, for the kayaks?
Yeah. Here's the storage. Got those tied down. Here's their, they got a little gas Weber right there.
Yeah. Ooh, docking this thing's gonna be a beast.
Yeah, that looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Look, even with the 2 kayaks, I can still get through here really easily. Nice little lounge area. I didn't remember the other ones that we had having sunroofs here. That's nice. And that one opens up so you can have a draft. Oh, this has got to be bittersweet for them.
Touching on some kind of high. You're painting scenes on my storyline. So carry me where you like.
She said there was power. I saw the shore power.
I'm used to taking cover under my skin, but I wanna step outside and take it all in.
Life jackets.
'Cause baby, it's like a light storm to be yours, finding freedom in the downpour. You're like a light storm, a light storm.
Just a little bit of it. It's not like the cat.
Oh, oh, a light storm.
I think that might be the part.
Baby, it's like a light storm to be yours. Feelings flooding through the front door. You're like a light storm, a light storm.
Where are you? I think there's somebody underneath the boat scraping something. Over the bed on the port side,
Yeah.
right by where the window is, where you can see the plants, the ceiling is kind of drooping. I'm not sure if there's water that's leaking in there. Is it a water leak, you think?
I think it's just that panel's warped, right? I don't know what that is.
I wonder if they're working on our boat. Our boat. I'm already calling it our boat. Or the boat next door, the pawpaw. I'm excited. I'm loving it. I'm having lots of emotions,
Yeah,
like great emotions,
yeah.
but I'm also terrified.
It's a big boat.
It's enormous. I'm trying to figure out how to dog-proof the boat because Zoe's gonna go flying down those stairs. We'll have to put a little gate there until she gets used to the steps. I'm loving it. I look like death. I also look like I've been eating bread and cheese and butter for 10 days straight, which I have been. A couple of months from today, I'm gonna be sitting here going, why was I so scared? The surveyor has begun the checking of the hull with a little hammer to see. We can hear in the background. To see if there's been any fiberglass type of repair or damage done before. last few weeks or months of just running around trying to get everything done, I think have caught up to me. I have absolutely no energy, not one inkling, iota, whatever it's called, of energy. Well, I got really sick and feeling like crap earlier today, so I came back to the apartment and went to sleep. And now it's like 7 o'clock at night. Donovan's still at the boat. I guess the surveyor's still there too. And Jill, the owner, is showing Donovan how to use the Garmin. So I've got Zoe in her kennel and we're off to go to the marina. I do feel a lot better, so that's good. Turns out we just ordered something off the menu and we were talking like animals. Like, is it ba or is it moo? And he said, no ba, moo, 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 moo.
Now, with the guy Joe, all he was doing on the sailing was just listening to the motors, correct?
For the sail,
For the sea, was he doing? He wasn't doing the sea trial, was he?
well, Jill's supposed to move the boat around. She's supposed to be in behind the wheel,
Right.
in the helm or whatever. But he was going to be checking the sails, pulling up the sails. Did he pull them up today?
He opened the bag and.
Okay, that's not
I
raising
know-
the
I
sails.
know that.
That's why I'm
I know
asking.
that. No, he did not.
So part of the sea trial is raising the sails.
Right, but he can't do it Thursday and he can't do it Friday. It's a 10-hour drive down here. You know that? 5 down, 5 back
He
up.
lives in Istanbul?
He lives in Bodrum.
Well, no, if he... Oh, in Bodrum.
Yeah.
Zoe, that's enough out of you.
Thank you. That's enough.
We're not used to prayer time yet. And this is about, what, 5 or 6 times a day? I don't know how many
5 or 6
times. I've lost
times a day,
count. And then at least one time last night in the middle of the
I
night.
never heard it.
I heard it.
I never heard
Zoe barks every time. So this is going to be fun.
it. She'll get used to it. That's what Jill then said.
Hey, pretty girl. You have no idea there's a dog directly behind you.
It's a cute dog, though.
There are a lot of stray animals here. A lot. But they're all fat. So they're all pretty well fed. There's cats everywhere. The food is definitely different. We gotta find our groove here because it's quite different. We have found the town square. Donovan wanted his ice cream and we found it. They have pistachio here? Sold. There's one pistachio right there.
Well, there's something that looks like pistachio. That may be a mint. And
That one's mint right there.
right up there.
Yeah.
But it looks like a pistachio.
It's a busy place. There's boats all over. Hi, going. Why does this dog keep following us? Night number 2 in Turkey, and I'm voting for the U.S. elections on November 8th. I don't even know what an alliance is. There's a straight party. There's a party called Alliance.
It's the Republican.
Yeah, I haven't heard of a lot of these. No, this should be pretty easy. I can be sick as a dog and still know who the hell I'm voting for.
Here's a boat. I don't know, he did some testing on it here. You see where he checked it all. It's on the port hull. This is what he's calling a blister here. You may not pick it up, but right there, you can see the little. This is another one on the port hull, right next to the sacrificial keel. The blister, but he says we need to check and see if there's a hull warranty. This is your starboard hull. These are just spots that he tested. He said those are all within range. Okay. Wet. And then it was just out of the water yesterday.
This started, I think, at like 4 o'clock in the morning. Crossing through a really pretty cemetery. Our hotel's right over that wall up there, and we're going down to the marina to meet with our surveyor, who should be done with the survey now. We really wanted to meet with him during the survey, but both of us have been sick. Though both of us feel much better. At least I do. Oh, there's water view. Man, this is pretty. Oh, God, I need to take a picture of this. I talked to him briefly a little while ago. The guy who was supposed to... All right, so the guy that operates the lift had to go to a funeral, so he wasn't gonna be able to put the boat back in the water today. It has to be done tomorrow. Well, in order to finish the survey and do the sea trial, the boat has to be in the water. And the surveyor already had previous commitments, so he can't stay. So he's done the majority of the testing, and we're gonna do, come on. He's gonna give us a checklist of just a couple of more things that we need to do to finish up ourselves, and then figure it out from there. Look at those mountains. It is so beautiful. We are sitting in the Kas Marina with our surveyor, talking about the last day and a half of survey that he just did. And I'm just gonna say this place does not suck at all. And I can get used to this every day. I love Turkey. Just finished meeting with our surveyor and got a couple of things to go over the boat sellers with the boat owners. Overall, everything was great. Oh, look at that view, would you? Oh my God. Surveyor is awesome. And all right, so let's start this over again, because yesterday it didn't go very well for me. I was so sick. I lasted about an hour on the boat and had to leave. And yesterday when we came, the bottom wasn't painted yet. So now it looks like a very different boat. We met one of the sellers, and we're gonna come and look at some stuff that the surveyor found, some blisters. And then we're gonna go get something to eat and find a SIM card somewhere so we can use this stupid phone. Survey is done, and we've met with the sellers, and now we're having dinner. Chicken and almonds. Chicken, what was mine called? Sheath? Chicken sheath? Sheath. And delicious, homemade, not sweet at all, orange juice. And a noisy dog. And lots of animals begging. What'd you think of the surveyor?
He's very thorough.
Nice guy. Spent the better part of the day yesterday with him while I was sleeping in the apartment. Turkey is super animal friendly. We've taken her pretty much in anything, everywhere. Inside the stores.
Oh, very.
Nobody has said anything. These neighborhoods are so cool. Look at how pretty those houses are with the balconies up top. This is where we just ate. Little shops everywhere. Come on, Zoe.